Are stick vacuums good for hardwood floors? Probably a better way to answer that is, do they work on hardwood floors? And the answer to that is yes, they absolutely do. The second question is, do they damage hardwood floors? And the answer to that is so now let's answer the question, are stick vacuums dangerous or harmful for hardwood floors? And I'm just going to skim this along the hardwood floor we've got right here. So there, no damage done. And I know you may not have been able to see very clearly, but there is no scratching. Furthermore, do you think I'd actually do that if it was going to scratch? Anyway, if you look carefully at the wheels on here, you might be able to tell, but they're basically rubber wheels. And that makes them really soft on the floor. And then this bottom part has this little fuzz right here. I notice it is getting kind of dirty, because I'm actually using this quite a bit. So these vacuums are designed to work on hardwood floors easily without damaging them, right? What's the dog say? Jeb? Okay.